Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Crypto Markets back for another video. In today's video, I want to talk about Theta and the Theta network and give you guys a price prediction. So Theta is currently sitting at $2.71. If you don't know what Theta actually is, it's a layer 1 blockchain and decentralized infrastructure for video, AI, internet, and entertainment, and it has a lot of different use cases in those different fields. So Theta is one of these tokens that is going to be big in this run, not just because of the intrinsic value of what the project actually does, but just the fact it's in the AI sector. If you have a lot of retailers coming in and they're going to combine their ambitions with crypto with some new phrase word like AI that's going to be popping off in the next couple of years, I'm sure that AI sector is going to move heavily in crypto, and Theta is going to be one of those tokens, one of these blue chip tokens that really takes off with it. So I really do see Theta being like a $5 billion market cap coin within the next couple of months. Now, obviously it depends on the whole market. As we saw from what happened just yesterday, in fact, we saw Bitcoin absolutely dump, and obviously Theta is going to follow along with it. Bitcoin is now sitting at just over 64.5 K, and we saw a low of just under 60K at 59K, and Theta is going to be obviously affected by that. If we have a look at the price charts for Theta right here, we're going to see a little bit more in detail of what I'm talking about. Now, Theta obviously scooped to the low of $2.26 after hitting that high at $3.36. But where do we go from here? Well, Theta is obviously up. Even in the last 7 days, Theta is up nearly 40%, and the last month nearly 200%. So to say that things are overvalued right now, it's hard to tell just because of the greed in the market right now. Now, obviously the market is very greedy, so I would be fearful about hopping into like over leveraged longs. I really would stay away from using multiple leverages, even in any direction, just because of how volatile things are at the moment. But if you were looking for orders for Theta, I would look for the low towards under $2.50, because that would put us at a market cap of around about $2.5 billion, and I think that's an easy 2x to 5 bill once we get there within the next couple of weeks. Obviously this depends on the whole market sentiment. I think we could see a major move for Bitcoin towards the downside after we push above that 69K and just go into a little bit of a price discovery, because if you think about it, big investors want people to come into crypto like you and me with their money, and they can use that retail new money to exit their long positions and then go short. I'm sure that's what many of them did at 69K last night, and then we got a dump. So that is something you have to be notable about, regardless of how Theta is as its own project. If Bitcoin just decides to take a dump, then Theta is obviously going to follow it. So right now, I think Theta is in a good position. If you were looking for a quick scalp, I think that Theta could easily hit $2.85 within the next couple of hours. But I think that Theta is easily a $5 billion market cap, and I would look for orders at anywhere between $2.20 to around $2.30 for Theta. But that has been a quick video on Theta network and Theta token, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.